Honey. As you can see, I'm sorry I don't have a stand. Good morning, guys. How are you doing? My name is Vveronicaasekenye. I'm just making some breakfast as we start the day. This is pure fresh honey. I trust God has kept you all well. So this is ginger. I don't know if you can see. This is ginger. I was trying to break it down and pound it, and I don't have time for grating. These are my tools. So guys, I'm going to start my day today by taking you guys downtown, and we see what the town is looking like as of today. So it's actually, it is 7:25. Yes, it's 7:25. Let me first take breakfast and then we'll go. Yes. So otherwise, if you're new here, you'll come. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. Kindly, if you haven't yet subscribed, please do subscribe. Take your girl to 4,000 subscribers. Like, share, and comment down below. Tell me which kind of videos I should be making. Should I do sit down videos? Should I do interviews? Should I do, because my niche is travel and lifestyle. Yes, so just look within there and see what kind of video do you want me to bring for you. Otherwise, thank you guys who managed to come on my live. Shami Vlogs UG, thank you so much for, you guys hosted me. Lim Zabu, oh my god, please check them out. Actually, Lim Zabu was my host, and she's such a sweetheart. Please check her out. Yes. So for all those who are on my live, thank you so much for, turning up. For those of you who didn't watch, please go and watch that live. It was such a marvelous one. It was so entertaining, it was so informative, it was basically, it had anything that you would want to hear. So it was more of a Women's Day kind of video where we had to talk about each and everything. So it was more of a Q&A, sharing our experiences. So you should go and check them out. Check those videos out and check those friends of mine out. Otherwise, let me have breakfast and then we go. So let me tell you guys, I bought a Rolex. If you don't know Rolex, not the watch. I know some of you know the Rolex watch. Yes, not the Rolex watch. If you're Ugandan, you know what I'm talking about. So it's a chapati rolled with eggs, Then they put there some tomatoes, depending on what you want. Some put cabbages. You can put any mixture. It's a Rolex, so basically they roll it. It's such a yummy one. So I love to have it for my breakfast, and I do have black tea. Yes. So this is how basically it looks like. I don't know if you can see properly. So you can see the eggs. They fried and rolled them. There are some tomatoes there. Yes, so this is what I'm having for, but because it is big, I can't finish it all. I have to divide it. Yes, I'll eat another one later. Yeah. So guys, please do like the video already if you have not yet. So guys, let me show you my tea. I don't know if you, you may not actually manage to see. So basically it's black tea. So guys, after the yummy breakfast, I had to head to town ASAP because there was actually some stuff that I was supposed to go and pick up very early by 9. So I had to make sure I hit the road ASAP. Yes, so I was in this very area here last year and I shot a video. So the last I checked, this place was a non-motorized area, but as you can see, our people, even much as the signpost is there to show that this is a non-motorized area, they act like they're blind, like they are not seeing that, or they don't even understand what oh my god. Trust some Ugandans, they're just stubborn. I don't know if they're just stubborn or they're just, I don't know how to put it, but anyways, regardless, we move you. So this is how beautiful downtown looks like. Basically, I love this green bit of it. I love the fact that they had to put these plants and flowers on along these corridors. So they've really added so much. They have contributed towards the beauty of downtown. Yes. So guys, by the way, if you have not yet subscribed, we are on the road to 5k. Kindly subscribe, share, comment. Yes, take your girl to 5k. Yes, thank you, and remember to like the video and share it to your friends, families. Thank you. But for now, let's go and see what downtown has to offer. This is a Saturday morning. just wanted to take you down and see how this place is as of today. So because I came really early morning, not as many people as they may turn out to be later in the day. People are busy displaying things and doing their sales because it's a market today. On Saturday, most people bring out things on the street to sell. But anyways, it's early morning. The people, the KCCA team that is responsible for the cleaning hasn't yet started. So, the street is a bit lousy. There are things everywhere. But later on in the day, trust me, this place will be so different. So I just wanted to give you guys a morning view of downtown Kampala. Kindly like the video, share, comment, subscribe guys. So this is how downtown looks like. Let me show you the old tax park. So this is the old tax park. As you can see, there is a new tax park and an old tax park. So this is the old tax park. It was recently renovated. Now it looks much better and organized. I'm not going down there, so let me just walk up to somewhere and then so drop down a comment and tell me which kind of videos do you want me to make for you, especially about Kampala. So the time currently right now is 8:35. 8:35 as we speak right now, but people have already started. The early birds are already in town. So guys, I'm not going to go so deep. I'll just show you a little bit of the front. It's so crowded and I don't want to risk my phone. So this is it. So guys, I'm going to stop at this point. See you guys in another video.